Hey, what's up guys? So I thought I'd make a video of a walk around of the 67 Mustang project that I've been working on for probably the last 10 years or so. I bought it when I was still in college and it went to the body shop and I got a good deal and it sat in there for years, just slowly getting finished. And then I got it back and it's just been one of those cars that has kind of spent most of its time in the garage versus on the road. I'm sure a lot of you that have had project cars can relate. So anyways, I was gonna do a walk around, kind of show you the progress I've had. I've gotten really serious in building it the last 4 months or so. And I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't do any more videos of like working on it. I just kind of wanted to jump in and get stuff done versus setting up the camera. So I'm just taking a quick video with my iPhone right now of a walk around and we'll go over the car. And if you guys have any questions or whatnot, you can comment below. So here we go. All right, guys. So yeah, here she is. It's a 67 Coupe. I bought it back in 2012, I believe, 2012 or 2010. It was a candy red paint job that wasn't applied correctly, and it started to, it was like a gold base, and then the red translucent, and then the gold was starting to shine through the red because the red was fading, so it almost looked like a Starbucks or Skittles bag. I think I have some photos. I'll post some photos of it in this video so you can check it out. So yeah, now it's a satin gray color. It's a Nissan Nismo color. You can find it on the GTRs. It's kind of dirty right now. Once it's all finished, I'll clean it up. But yeah, the original idea was I wanted to do something that was kind of in between a Pro Touring and a Restomod build. So it's got the Eleanor GT500 kit. It's got the front bumper. It's got a GT500 hood. The front and rear fenders have been rolled and pulled out slightly. And it's got the side scoops, the trunk, the fiberglass trunk. The only thing I didn't do is I didn't do the GT500 rear lights. I personally like the 3-bar lights that the Mustangs come with. So I just I had all of the panel and the light bezels painted satin black to kind of go with the black and gray theme. Same thing with all the window trim. I just put all new windows in it, all new glass. So I put all new weather stripping on it, and they're all satin black as well. Same thing with the door handles and the locks. All new weather stripping. Let's see. It's got I just in the process of installing a painless wiring harness, chassis wiring harness right now. So kind of see where I came out right here, and I kind of already wrapped it in some protection. So I just wired all the headlights, the new horns. I took the front top bumper off so I could get in and mount the new fog lights that I'm putting in right here, right there. It's got a 1991 Fox body 5.0 with the AFR 165 heads and an E-cam, and it made like low 300s, like 310, 315 to the wheels. MSD ignition, distributor coil, hooker headers. I got a side exhaust that I'm going to be putting on it. I installed a Mustang 2 front end. I did that a while ago. It gave me the Willowwood 6-piston brakes that I put on it. The QA1 coilovers right here and tubular control arms. Gave me rack and pinion power steering, which was great. I know a lot of guys don't install these unless they're going with a Coyote engine now, which I might do in the future. But, I already had this engine running, and it'll make plenty of power, I think, just to have fun on the street. The car only weighs like 2,800 pounds, especially with the fiberglass parts now, so Should be pretty quick. I installed the Willowwood master cylinder as well. Willowwood hydraulic clutch. You can see that right there. Let's see what else. I still got to wire up the electric fan. This was really tight, the clearance with the pulley. And aluminum 3-row radiator. Let's see. We'll move inside. All new door panels, armrests, handles, door sills. It's got Pro Car Rally seats. Sorry, it's really dirty in there because I'm constantly in and out doing wiring and finishing it up. Installed the Kenwood front speakers, and I don't know if you can see it, also the rear ones. New tray in the back. It's got the Pro Car Rally seats in the back as well. Sorry, it's not focusing my camera. Yeah, all new weather stripping around the windows. These were really hard, these channels. These were really hard to find. When I went into the body shop, I guess I must have lost them, but so I found a pair of these and then got those satin black as well. Installed the new dash pad. I got to clean this up. There's a lot of fingerprints on it, but all new aluminum trim, Hurst shifter. It's got a T5Z and a center force clutch. So, okay, then we did the Kenwood head unit. I just installed that and wired up all the speakers. GT350 steering wheel, wood grain, and then I did it tilt column. The gauges are back here. See if I can grab them. There we go. So these are going to be going in. I chopped off the harness on this, and I got to kind of rewire it for the painless chassis harness. Let's see, it's got the TMI suede headliner that I installed. It's all new carpet. It's a little dirty, like I said, and then before I installed the carpet, I put kind of like a Pour 15 substance, and then I installed like sound deadening all the way on the bottom. It's on the roof as well, and then it's in the doors as also. So, you know, just a lot of little things like new door switches, light switches. It's got the courtesy light down there. New heater box. I have the tray right here. I was getting to some of the electrical, so that's not in. Let's see. I wanted to go with more of a modern look, so what we did was I had the roof gutters shaved. So I got rid of like all the chrome and had that done, so kind of gives it a little bit more modern look. It's got the ducktail fiberglass trunk right here. Let's see. It's got a 8-inch rear end. I might eventually upgrade to the 9-inch, but for my power levels, you know, it's probably somewhere around high threes to the crank. It should be fine for what I'm going to be doing. It's got the Bilstein shocks. It's got new leaf packs. They're kind of dusty because they were this car was in the body shop for a long time, but let's see. Oh, EFI 255 fuel tank that I put in. So installed the new fuel pump and fuel sender. Just a lot of little things, all new lights. You know, the light right here for the license plate. Let's go over here. These are the rims I'm running. And I'm running a 285 in the rear and a 275 up front. I kind of wanted to go with more of a closer to a square setup. It's kind of similar to the newer GT350s that came out. So it's got an 18x9 and then an 18x10 in the rear. And then I forgot the offsets off the top of my head, but I'll put those in the description. But because we pulled the fenders out a bit, I could go a little bit more aggressive. I mean, I still have a little bit of clearance that I could probably push it out a bit, and then I got disc brakes in the rear as well, SSBC disc brakes. So, you know, like I said, I wanted to go with something a little bit more modern style, but not breaking the bank too much. Like I have spent a lot more money than I thought I would in this car, but you know, it's got all disc brakes around, fuel injection, power steering. It's got a more modern look to it while still being a classic. So yeah, please subscribe and hit that like button. I'll be posting more about this car, a 68 Chevelle that I'm building, and I got another motorcycle that I'll probably be building within the next couple months. So yeah, thanks for watching.